Welcome to AER Int channel, and welcome back to our drawing course. In this lecture, we're gonna show how we can define different layers. So let's go here to search command. Let's type here layers. So let's go here with layers properties. Let's put this item here, like this. Let's go with the layers again here, and choose change layer. Let's put this one here, like this. Now let's choose here layer properties. Now let's go here and let's create a new one. Let's call this dimensions, like this. So here we have an option if we want to hide or show, and here we have an option do we want to print it or not. Here we can change the color. So let's go with blue one. Let's click OK. And here we can change the style. So let's go with this one. And here we can change the thickness. Let's leave it as it is. Now let's add a new layer here. And let's call it text. Now let's go with a different color. Let's choose red. Let's click OK. Let's change the thickness to 0.25. Like this, and let's click OK. And now we click here, change layer. Here we have our dimensions and text layer. Now let's go here to our drawing view, and let's select those two views. Like this. Now let's unselect front view, the text here. And top view, this text. Now let's go to change layer. And let's choose dimensions. Let's click OK. And now we can see that our dimensions are blue. We can click, for example, this dimension. We can go to other tab here. And here we can see that we have a layer, dimensions. We can change this, for example, this one to text, like this. Let's click OK. And now it's red. Now let's click on the front view. Let's choose top view and isometric view. Let's go to change layer. And let's choose text. And let's click OK. And now we can see that the text is red. And now, for example, if you want to print this, we can go here and we can go with print preview, like this. And now here we can see our dimensions and text. Let's exit. Now let's go to layer properties again. Here we can uncheck printing. So for example, we don't want to print our dimensions. And we can uncheck here, will not print. And let's click OK. And now if we go here to print preview, now here we don't have the dimensions except 50, because 50 is text layer, it's not dimension layer. Now let's go with escape. And we'll go to layer properties again. And for example, we want to hide our text. We can go here and we can hide it, and OK. And now we don't see our text. Now let's go to layer properties, and let's click here visible on our text, and let's click OK. And here we can see our text. Now let's click on this 50. Let's go to other, and now let's change this to dimensions, like this, and let's click OK. Let's go to smart dimensions, and let's create a new dimensions here. For example, this one. So this is 100 millimeters. Let's put it here. Let's go to other, and now we can see this is layer text, but we want this to be layered dimensions. And now let's click OK. And now it's blue. So this is how we can define and how we can modify different layers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.